Alright, Lizzie's in the shower right now, and I just poured a bunch of baby powder into her hairdryer. I could clean it up a little bit so it looks more neat. But, yeah, she's about to get pranked. Alright, I just hid the camera and we're gonna wait until she walks in. I have her, hairdryer right here. So, let's see how this goes.
Was this you? Was it you?
Yeah.
Get out of my room! Oh, fucking God!
I can't even breathe.
Neither can I, you jerk! No wonder why my freaking blow dryer wouldn't start. If it's broken, you're buying me a new one. Look at my hair, it's white. Why are we going out to dinner?
No, we're not going out. It was a joke. I wanted you to come in here and get a shower and everything.
Now I have to get another one because of my hair. You know. Get out. Seriously, get out. Get out of my room.
You didn't see the camera when you walked in? It's hidden.
What camera? Oh my boy, what camera?
Look around.
There's nothing around here. Seriously? I hate you. Dude, there's something in my... I hate you. I really do, Lance. This is enough. Stop! I've had enough of you. I can't... There's something in my throat.
Oh, that's a big
You're
mess.
cleaning this up. You're buying me a new blow dryer.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Is you mad? Or no?
Shut up. You're not cool. Dude.
Ew, what just happened there?
I don't know, whatever the hell. What is this? Is this baby powder or flour?
What's it smell like? Smells like baby powder, isn't it?
Shut up. It smells like it doesn't mean it is. Dude, my hair is white.
Alright, well guess what? I'm posting this on YouTube.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
See that? There you go. Get out. Get out of my room.